Project, we're going to look at how we can merge images to HDR using Lightroom Classic. So within the library module, I have 3 images selected that will merge to HDR. We can see they're selected in the film strip at the bottom of the screen. So we simply right click and then go to photo merge of that context menu and choose HDR. As you can see, the shortcut in Lightroom for that is caret and H. We then click on HDR and then it starts to create the HDR preview. So we just wait until that is generated. Tend to use low for the deghost amount, and that will just mitigate movement between frames. You can click auto settings to get an idea of how the final image will look once that's just being generated there. So just keep low, and that gives you an idea of how it's going to be. And then once we are quite happy with the way things look, we can just simply click merge. Then photo merge will be added to tasks, and then the new image will be created. So you can see in the top left where the progress bar is going across, it's busy creating the HDR, and then we'll have a separate file just the way we saw with the Photoshop technique in order to process to bring out the best in the image. So that's been done now, hasn't taken too long, and there we have the process, the merged image. So if I now take that into the develop module, alternatively, if it was in Adobe Camera Raw, you'd be just working the basic panel there as well. And then you can always just improve on the settings that have been chosen by the software. So this shot does look particularly hazy, so we can just use a small amount of dehaze in order to enhance the look of the landscape and just bring back a little bit of the colour. If you find the colour is a little bit too intense, so saturation can always be reduced slightly, but again, you're just processing according to what looks good on your screen. Now once we've done that, we can either edit further in Photoshop or we can just leave the file within Lightroom. Thank you for watching.